मिल मेरे प्रीतमा जियो तुद बिन खरी निमाणी। मिल मेरे प्रीतमा जियो तुद बिन खरी निमाणी। मैं नैनी नींद ना आवे जियो।
But there is something good in every day. Thank you and have a nice day. Rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give respect
on Sundri Devi. The Sundri Devi was a Bengali woman who wrote her memories in Bengali. The memories revolved around the day-to-day experiences of a housewife.
which type of resources we get from the earth. From earth we get land, soil, water, etc. How many percentage of water is in the earth? Earlier it was 70%, but now it was 71% water in the earth.
To all the students for your exams, your achievements are a testament of your hard work and dedication. We are proud of your accomplishments and wish you continued success in your future endeavor. You have demonstrated resilience, perseverance and a commitment to learning. For those who are disappointed with their performance, keep believing in yourself and your abilities. Your hard work and determination are bound to bring you success. Everyone fails at some point. Plenty of other people in our class are in the same position as you, and I know that you will all get through it. Failure is a learning opportunity, not a reflection of their abilities. Everyone faces setbacks. Reframe failure as a learning opportunity, not a personal failing. Failure can provide valuable insights for improvement. Embrace challenges and view failure as stepping stones to success. You are more than just their grades and academic performance. So, I would like to wrap up by saying that consider failure as an opportunity to learn, grow and refine your approach. Thank you and have a great day.
ਭਾਵੇਂ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵਿਅਕਤੀ ਜੋ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਅਤੇ ਗਮ ਤੋਂ ਦੂਰ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਕੋਈ ਪ੍ਰਭਾਵ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੈਂਦਾ, ਉਹੀ ਸੱਚੀ ਸੰਸਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਸਮਝ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ।